Today I'm going to be unboxing this budget mouse and keyboard gaming combo. This is the KWG E1 gaming keyboard and Orion E1 optical gaming mouse. We're also doing a giveaway at the end of the video, so stay tuned. As good looking as this packaging is, the most attractive thing about this gaming combo is the price. So if you're looking for a really cool mouse and keyboard combo on a budget, this is as good as it gets. So let's quickly go through the specs. It has neon lighting spectrum, multicolor backlight. The keyboard has a spill resistant structure. This design helps spilled liquid drain out and protect the keyboard. The mouse has adjustable DPI, up to 3000 DPI for pixel perfect accuracy. It also has anti-ghosting with 19 key rollover and a keystroke life cycle of 10 million. Let's get started. So this is it. Let's quickly plug this in and see what it looks like. Yep, that's definitely cool looking. It looks a lot better plugged in. The keys feel decent enough. Soft, not too noisy. The mouse feels comfortable on my palm. And it's really quick and responsive on my PC. So, is this for you? Well, if you're just getting into gaming or you just want a cool backlit keyboard and mouse set, then I would say yes. That's it guys, and as promised we are giving away 2 of these units. All you got to do is like, share the video and comment #CoreCom rocks, and we could be shipping one to you. Winners will be announced on our Facebook page on the 5th of March 2021, which is next week Friday. And that's it. I'm Jeremiah. Cheers.